Elite Deck Builders. We are in Twain Harte, California today, trying to beat a snowstorm coming in. So what we're going to do is replace all the bad deck boards. Came out and did an inspection, safety inspection, and overall the structure looks great. There's just one broken joist on the upper level, and there's some damaged deck boards on the lower level that pulling out now.
Might get 1x4 damage this one.
Alright.
Taking it off.
We're going to replace these steps for her. Built on a rock. The only access other than through the house, up the ladder we go. All right. So we magically jumped up here. See, all the cocktail rails are getting bad from not being painted. The majority of this damage is from not being annual maintenance or painting, routine maintenance. So we're going to replace about 40 of the boards up here, the cocktail railings, and for some reason they didn't put a fascia board on here, so we're going to close all that in so the weather can't rot out them joists. Make it good and strong, the Elite Deck way.